You know, Jamie, you're not careful, those damn things will kill you.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, you can do without them.
Last call for Geritol.
Easy up there, Linda. Oh, Marilyn doesn't seem to mind.
Like
Yeah. Hey, that was a good one there, Jamie. I like that. Why don't you tell me one of those stories about one of those shoots you used to do?
Oh, I've been meaning to tell you about the time I did those 5 communist babes in a video in Eastern Europe.
5?
Yeah, 5 of them. I thought they were gonna tear down the Berlin Wall.
That's a good one, Jane. I like that. Oh, shit.
Let's play a game.
What kind of game?
I got some games for these two.
I can still play a game or two.
I got a couple good ones.
Play for cookies.
Oh, I think I still got a cookie there.
My move.
I don't know what's happened, but ever since you've been here, they're acting very different. Younger or something.
They're not acting. That's the way they really are. It's all in the mind. You just can't dream it. You have to be it.
Well, I want to thank you for everything that you've done. Oh, and Venus, I looked up your name in the dictionary, Goddess of Love. I think that's very fitting of you.
Well, thank you.